Hey YouTube, what's going on? In this video, this is going to be part 3 of my rig upgrade series that I'm doing. This part is to let you know that I have ordered a new GPU. I'm replacing the one that's currently in there, which is old, it's dated, but it still plays games, but it doesn't support DirectX 12. And this one's starting to show its signs of wear and tear. It's starting to, barely play the modern games, which, okay, yep, time to upgrade. So I've already went ahead and ordered an RX480. The only reason I'm going with RX480 is because my system's already an AMD build, so I'm going to stick with that. No, I'm not a fanboy by any stretch of the imagination. When I go to replace this entire machine, I am going to be going with an Intel, probably an i7, paired with like a high-end NVIDIA card, but I figured this machine's already AMD, I'll just throw an AMD card in there as that's already in there. So I got the Powercolor Red Devil RX480 8GB version coming. So once that's here, we'll go ahead, we'll unbox it, and we'll benchmark the current card to the RX480 that's going to go in there, just to see the difference, so you can see what I have now to what I will have once it gets here. I did order it. I'm going to throw the specs up on the screen here in just a second, and we can go through, take a look at that, see what's going on, and do a quick comparison. So this is going to be the removal of the old card for the installation of the new card. So we're going to go ahead and get this card out. I'm going to start with just disconnecting the power connection, flipping that down over there, and then we got just these two thumb screws that need to come out. I just gotta flip down the lever on the socket. And that is the old card out. So we're just going to reinstall the RX480 in its location. But as you can see, we're going to have a clearance issue with the USB 3.0, so we'll go ahead and just drop you right in there, and then we'll replace both of the thumb screws. And then now we just got to fiddle with the power cord. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly shut it off, stand it up to get in behind it, and I'm going to let some more cable out, and then we'll finish the install. Okay, so we got enough cable length, and this is a 6+2, so we'll just install it the right way here. So the power's installed, and then I'm going to drop the USB header back in there. There, as you can see, it's all installed, so now we just got to go ahead, get all the drivers and everything reinstalled, and then we'll be good to go. So once I do that, I'm going to do some benchmarks, and we'll throw the scores and everything into the end of the video. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more, as I do plan on possibly ordering another one of these RX480s, possibly around Christmas time, Boxing Day, when maybe things go on sale. Maybe pick another one up. If I want, I'm going to think about running these in Crossfire, as I do know and I'm aware of some of the issues I could run into with some of the games that don't actually support it. So I'll just have to look into it. Is it worth it for me, or is it not? But stay tuned for one of those around early January sometime, if I choose to go with dual RX480s in a Crossfire configuration. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for my social media, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and like my Facebook page. Stay tuned for the next video.